Hey, what is up? This is Tyler Pratt. So you want to start generating some income online. You want to start being able to work from your computer, work from home, maybe when you travel and you want to earn maybe an hourly wage to do that. Well, I'm going to go to my computer. I'm going to show you exactly how to set that up. There's a great website that I'm going to show you right here. Plus, I'm going to show you 2 bonus websites that you can go to and you can earn income online. Now, anytime you want to generate income online, you think of an hourly wage. We're used to going to a job and getting an hourly wage. But what I suggest to you is that make this your if this is your first time generating income online, make this your first win online. When I first got my win a couple years ago, I got an email from the company that I was promoting. They said, hey, you got a commission of $50. And I was super excited because I was thinking, I did this from my computer, I did it from home. This internet thing is for real. So I want to make sure that you just understand this is going to be a first win for you. Now, any of these things that I show to you, if this really doesn't work for you, I got 800 other videos on my channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell. Then you get notified of any videos that I come out with. Also, there's a big catalog of videos. Just go over there and find what's going to work for you. It's all work from home. It's all make money online. It's everything that I use today. It's everything that I've used over the years. I just teach it to you right here on these videos. Okay, so what we're going to do right here is we're going to go over to my computer and I'm just going to show you how to do this. Now remember, this is going to be your first win. Getting your first win is going to help you, it's going to help jumpstart your kind of career online, because wherever you're at right now, I want you to get going online. I want you to be able to start making some income using the internet. The internet is so powerful right now. It's so good. And that I want you to get your first win. I want you to get up, start using this. All right. So make this kind of a stepping stone. When you get a check from this company and they send you money, you're going to say, wow, this internet thing really does work. I'm going to continue with this. I'm going to keep going. All right. So let's jump right into my computer right here and we'll show you that. So the first thing you want to do is just head over to Google. And what I want you to type in is Babbel type. All right, we're going to click on this. This is apply for work right here. So what Babbel type is this? There's all kinds of audio, there's all kinds of videos. All of this right now needs to be transcribed into text. Okay, it's one of the really the easiest ways for anybody to start generating income online. It's one of the easiest ways to get up and start making some income. With transcription, what happens is Google is the largest search engine out there, but Google can only read text on blogs. It can only read text on websites. And so anytime somebody creates a video, they need to transcribe the video into text. That way Google can find that and can index that information. Same thing with audio. If you have a podcast, audio is the same way with that. You need to take the audio, the MP3 player, you need to put it into transcription. That's why there's a big demand. That's why you can come in and you can really get a really good income for yourself. You can do an hourly wage, a full-time, whatever you got going on for you. But let me show you how to do this. So you go to Babbel type, all right, and what you're going to do is you're going to go down here to apply for editing. And you're just going to go through the information that they're looking for. What they're looking for is pretty simple. You don't have to have any experience. You need to have a computer. You need to have a laptop. You're not going to be able to do this from a smartphone. You just can't type fast enough. Now you can use programs like Google Docs. Google Docs is free. It's in the Google Drive platform. You can go in there and you can use the voice transcription program. They have a great voice transcription program. You can just put the audio up there and it'll actually transcribe it into text for you. So that way you don't have to type and you can knock these out really, really quick. But you got to know some English, okay? You don't have to know full English library. Like I don't know the full English library, but you need to know English because that's the text that they're looking for to get these videos and transcribed. So if you scroll all the way down here, you'll see that there is proofreading. You get 0.18 cents per minute. Now there is translation, which is $1.40 per minute. Transcribing is going to be probably with this, it's going to be around about 40-50 cents range per minute. Now, if you think about that, you multiply that by 60 minutes. That's going to be your hourly wage for that. Okay, so all it is just based on your ability to listen to audio and put that into text, and you're going to be able to get money based on the based on the time that you're going to be listening to the audio and getting that into transcription. It really comes down to how fast you can get it off of audio and onto text format. So if it's going to take you a couple days to do one whole video, you're not going to really make the money. It's going to be speed here, and that's why I recommend you using Google Voice on the Docs program, where you can put the audio up to it. Google will actually take that audio and put it into text. Okay, so use that in the Google Drive. So all you gotta do is just come out here and you can fill out this information. There will be some quick tests. They wanna make sure that you know what you're doing. There's different languages here, which is really good, because if you're in a different part of the world and you can translate different audio into text, that's gonna be a great plus for you, because you look right here, it's $1.30 per audio minute on Spanish to Portuguese. And then you have $1.40 per minute on all the other languages. Okay, so these are really good payouts right here. You just gotta grab one of these and go for it. Now here's the thing with BabbleType, is that a lot of times they're not gonna get work for you. So you might have a lot of work at one time, and then you might go for a little bit where you don't have work. So that's why I wanna give you some bonus websites that you can go to. That way you can always constantly have work coming into you. So if you go to Google and you just type in Scribby right here, you're gonna see this website come up. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go all the way down here to the bottom. You got transcribers right here. Okay, so here what you got is anywhere from $5 to $25 per hour per rate to transcribe audio into text. These are gonna be short files, 10 minutes or less, 2 hours TAT for each file, free automated transcription, monthly bonuses of $5 every 3 hours completed. There's no obligations, and remember, you're not paying into this, okay? So don't worry about if you think you got to pay somebody to do this. No, you just need to qualify for them. You just need to make sure that they understand that you understand the qualifications and that you meet their qualifications. That's it. Once you get in there, you transcribe it, and they get the text, and then they'll be able to take that text and send that off to the people that want that text. So you're gonna have to get a verified PayPal account with all of these accounts. If you don't have a PayPal account, you gotta make sure you get a PayPal verified account. PayPal verified account is linking PayPal to a bank account, okay? So then you gotta go through the transcription process right here, where you're gonna go through file splitting, raw transcription, review, proofreading, and then quality check. They're gonna check the quality on it. It's not gonna be, remember, it doesn't have to be perfect, but they're gonna check for punctuation, sentences, and all that good stuff, all right? And then once you get done with that, you're gonna have a raw text file. You're gonna send that to them, and then you're gonna get paid for that, all right? So make sure payments anywhere from $5 to $25 per hour transcribing, all right? So you're gonna get bonuses. There's also referral and affiliate program set up. So if you wanna promote the website, you can get a affiliate commission for that, which is really good, because you're gonna get a percentage on people that actually would go in there and their volume that they do, you're gonna get a percentage of that. So referral affiliate commission is gonna be really good on this Scribby website, all right? So just go through and you'll see all the information that you can right there. Potential monthly earning right here, you got anywhere from $200 to $300 just transcription. If you do transcription, reviews, proofreading, and QC, it's anywhere from $700 to $1,000 monthly earnings that you potentially could be making with this website right here. Okay, so that's two. You got Scribby, and then you got BabbleType. So if BabbleType and Scribby don't have any work for you, what you want to do is head over to Google, and you want to type in Focus Forward. Okay, so Focus Forward, and you click on Focus Forward, and then what it's going to do is you're going to go over here to Be a Transcriber. Click on Be a Transcriber, and it's going to go through all the details that you need. So you're going to download, take a test, upload a completed test, 48 hours to know. Okay, so you're going to make about 40 cents per audio minute here. So you figure that 40 cents times 60 minutes, that's for your hourly rate. It's going to be pretty good. And remember, you're going to do all this from home, so you don't have to go anywhere, you don't have to travel. Everything is going to be done from your laptop here, and everything. You can take your laptop, you can take your computer. Again, you need to have a keyboard, all right? You need to have a keyboard in order to listen, in order to take the keyboard and put it into text. You can't do it from a smartphone. You just can't do it from the little thing right there or tablet, right? It's just gonna take forever. You won't make any money with it. And I want you to get up and get your wins. I want you to start making money with these websites. Now, you're not really gonna crush it with these. You're not gonna this isn't gonna be some new career for you, but it is gonna give you some new wins. It's gonna give you your first wins. It's gonna give you some extra income on the side, which you probably, definitely gonna need. If you're working right now and you're working so many hours, this is gonna be a great way to earn some extra income on the side, all right? Hey, if you wanna really get some information on passive income, what you can do is there's gonna be a link in the description. If you hit that, what I'll do is I'll send you my #1 recommended opportunity right here online. It's gonna help you make more passive income. So make sure you comment below. Let me know if these are working for you. Let me know what's not working for you. That way I can help you, I can get you up and running. And then let me know if any of these you're having success with. So just make sure you comment below and all that good stuff. So listen, if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button and then share it with your friends. Comment below. Let me know how I can help. This is Tyler Pratt. I really do hope you enjoyed that video, and we'll see you on the next one.